Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to consult notices. Select a notice from the search results list. The notice is displayed in your current browsing language. If you want to view the notice in another language, you can simply change the user interface language. For every notice, you have a summary containing key information. You can download the signed PDF in the official language, or download a PDF in one of the 24 EU languages. If there is an available translation in HTML, you can download it from this section. An icon below each country means that the corresponding translation is available. If not, it must be requested. You can request a translation in a specific language through the option Request a Translation. Define the language and the format, and you will receive an automated translation to your email. You must be a signed-in user to perform this action. As a signed-in user, you can create an alert for this notice and manage it through your dashboard. Additionally, you can send the notice by email. Define the details of the recipient, type your message, define the recipient's email address, or choose one from your personal address book. Furthermore, you can download the notice XML, or have the direct links shown to you, which you can copy to your clipboard. On the left facet, you can use the collapsible table of contents to help you navigate through the notice sections. You can also check if there are any related notices. Finally, you can return to the results list or navigate to the next notice based on your results list. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.